Hello, it is Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with nail art, and in this video I'm going to be doing the baby boomer nails with nail polish, so let's get started. I'm going to apply my Wet n Wild base coat to all of my nails to protect them. Baby boomer nails is a sheer pink polish that fades to white ombre, so I think that it is going to be beautiful because I love pink and I love sheer, so I'm excited to do this nail design. So I'm going to take my lid and some clear polish, and I'm going to put a dot of pink polish in there to make it like just a very translucent like pink, because I don't really have a really light pink polish, so this is my way of making one. And also I'm going to take an old nail polish bottle and I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to apply it to my nail using this brush, because obviously I kind of just made the nail polish, and I'm going to just use this disposable brush to apply it. And here it is. I think it's a little too sheer for me, so I added a drop more pink in it. For the second nail I added more pink, and I think it's pink enough for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint that on all of my other nails. I typically see people doing the baby boomer nails with gel polishes, but I don't have any gel polishes, so that's why I'm using some normal nail polish. And this is 2 coats of that sheer pink that we mixed up, and it is dry. And now I'm gonna take some Elmers glue and I'm gonna put it around my nail, and it's gonna act as liquid latex. It's kind of just like a fill-in when you don't got any. And I'm just taking a paintbrush and applying that to all of my nails. I have found using Elmer's glue, for it to really peel off really good, you need to put a thick coat, but sometimes it can take a while to dry, so you can also use a hair dryer to dry it if you like to speed up the drying time. Okay, now I got my makeup sponge and I'm taking some of that pink polish we mixed up and some white nail polish. I'm putting it on there, and now we're just gonna sponge it on, and the white is gonna be at the tip. And yeah, well, let's just sponge this on. And I did 3 coats of it, and I think it turned out pretty well. Maybe the color ratio was a little off, maybe the pink was a little bit darker than I wanted, but I think it turned out pretty. Let's take off this Elmer's glue now, and it just peels right off because we applied it super thick and we waited a while for it to dry. And now I'm also going to take my e.l.f. concealer brush and some pure acetone, and I'm just going to clean up the rest around all of my nails. And I think this nail design is very elegant and gorgeous, and I'm going to put a quick dry top coat on just to smooth everything out. I think this nail design was fun. I've never done a baby boomer's nail before, and I think it turned out pretty well. Maybe a little bit, I probably would have perfected the colors just maybe a little bit, maybe a lighter pink, but I think that this is gorgeous. And I also tried something new. I've never mixed a polish in with a clear polish to make it like a sheer polish before, if that makes sense. I've never done that before, so and I thought it was fun. Tell me what you guys think about these down below, and have you ever heard of baby boomer nails? Have you ever done it? Please tell me down in the comment section down below, and as of always, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Cheap Nails with Vanna, and I post a lot of fun pictures there, so go follow me over there, and don't forget to give this video a like. Goodbye!